Hi guys, today I will show you 4 life hacks for binder clips. So let's start. The first one will be for this. So it will be organized and it will take a small place. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, now the other one will be a phone stand. So okay, it will take this shape. Then you can put your phone like this and watch any movie you want. Okay, now the third one for the headphones. Okay, so you will take the binder and put the headphones like this, then just flip it. Okay, it will be like this, so it will take a small place and it will be organized. Okay, now the fourth one, you will put the binder like this and the straw like this, and you can drink comfortably and the straw will not move. Okay, here's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Goodbye.